let me show you how to scan documents using your Samsung Galaxy S26 or S26 Ultra. So actually this new phone has received insane upgrade when it comes to scanning documents. So let me show you all about it. If you want to scan a document, so simply open up your camera app, and if you point any document at it, by default automatically it should recognize. So see, it adds even like these like corners around it, and you have the scan button here that you can press to scan the document. If this doesn't work for you, so you can also go in the photo mode first, click here, settings here, and scanning, and make sure you have this enabled here, document scanning feature here. Make sure you have that enabled. So let me show you how this works. For example, you have your document here. It can be in a handwritten format or text format, so no matter what it is, maybe some drawing, it will automatically recognize it's a document. So you see, simply click scan, and automatically even like lifts it up and also improves it using AI. So check this. If you click view original, you can even see how it's improved here. Basically, you see it was kind of fuzzy even here, and actually made it much better. So we can click save here, or add a scan if you want to add some more basically documents to the same file. So for example, let's do that. Also see you can edit here it as well, also crop here as well. For example, take this part of it, also flip it, also add some filters here if you want to make it maybe black and white, so whatever you want. And you can even remove something. So I see it's actually very advanced. So let's click add scan. So you can add multiple things on the same file. So for example, you can also set auto scanning, so it will automatically take the picture without you clicking the button. But I suggest the manual scanning, it's much better in my opinion. So you see, you point your document, add the camera here, as you see, and it gets saved here. So let's maybe take another here. I'm just using some scrap piece I have. So you see it saves the document, and then you can click over here to even view them here, what it scanned. Okay, and then once you're satisfied, click next here and click save as PDF. Okay, so you see it's saving it, and if you want to quickly view it, so you had to click the button. But if you want to find the file after that, simply go into your apps, in the Samsung folder, My Files. Okay, so in the My Files, click on the Docs here on the top of it. So you see you have it over here. Okay, so you see converted as PDF file. So everything we scan basically. If you want to share it with someone or send maybe to email, click and hold on it. Okay, and share, and you see you can email someone, send through messages or WhatsApp, or even to a nearby phone as well if you want. So as you see, this is actually very advanced on this new phone indeed. Okay, good luck.